In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into planner.cloud.microsoft. So this is their website. From in there, you can proceed to sign in. So as you can see, there's no option to sign up because you can actually create a Microsoft account given to you by your organization or team. You need to have a team or organization account in order to access the Microsoft Planner because it's not available onto the personal plan. So from in there, click on sign in. Now here is my Microsoft Planner. In order to set it up, you should be able to see in here these particular options. We have in here My Day, which will give out all of the tasks that are happening today. You also have in here My Tasks, which have all of the tasks that are assigned to you. On the My Plans, you can see all the plans that you're actually a part of. It can be sorted by recent, shared, personal, and the likes. So in order to set up your Microsoft Planner, you need to have your own plan. If you don't have it yet, proceed to click onto this new plan option that we can see right here into this part. When you click on it, you can see that we have in here these basic options such as other templates like simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, employee and onboarding, and the likes. So just choose right here the kind of template that you want and set it up yourself. So for this, once you have set up your actual account or your actual plan, you can proceed to open it. And in here, you can see that we have this predefined task. You can either remove those or add new tasks by clicking onto this add task that we can have right here. You can also delete buckets if you would want by clicking onto the three dots and deleting it right there. So just set it up according to your liking and share it to people that you want to share it with. So that's how you set up Microsoft Planner. Hope we helped.